Good day, folks. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Smatree PowerStick for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now this is kind of a two-in-one product. First off, you can just mount your Osmo Pocket in the handle and it will keep it charged up. Then it also acts as a bit of a selfie stick. It gives you that little bit of extra reach for vlogging. So let's just open up the box, we'll see what all comes inside, and we will test it out. So this PowerStick by Smatree has been out for some time now. I just haven't got around to reviewing it. The battery on the Osmo Pocket isn't bad at all. You know, usually you can get a good amount of usage out of it. But if you are a power user and you frequently use it, having something like this might be beneficial to you. Let's just open it up here and we'll see what all comes inside the box. So first off, we have some instructions here. It gives us a little bit of information about the unit. We have a USB-C charging cable. And we have the unit itself right here. So essentially this is a 5,000 milliamp power bank and it will keep your Osmo Pocket charged. At 5,000 milliamps you'll probably get about 5 to 6 recharges of your Osmo Pocket. At the side here we have a USB-C port and that's how we'll recharge the device. At the bottom here we have a quarter 20, so we can add another extension pole to this if we need even longer reach, or you can mount it on something like a tripod. There's a button at the front, and at the top here is the mount for the Osmo Pocket. I don't know if you can see inside there, but there is a USB male connector. So it will connect to the female connector there at the bottom of the Osmo Pocket. And it is simple as sliding it in and then locking it down. Now, I am not worried about that coming out of there at all. It's in there really tight, so you don't have to worry about it slipping out while you're using it. So just in this configuration alone, you can see there, it just gives you that nice little extra reach. And that's kind of one complaint that people had with this when they're vlogging. It's a fairly narrow field of view, so it's hard to get your whole upper body in when vlogging. But something like this gives you that little bit of extra reach that is needed to get a nice wider shot. And as you can see, it is plugged in here, but it's not charging yet. In order to start charging it, you just press on the button. And you'll see here in a minute that it's now charging the Osmo Pocket. Now if we go ahead and power on the Osmo Pocket, you can tell by the little lightning bolt icon, you can see that there. So it's charging it while it's being used. At any time you can hold and long press and it will stop charging. When you're done filming, you just release the latch there and it slides right out. So yeah, like I said, if you're a power user and you use it quite a bit, something like this might be a good investment for you. Now, I think they could have done a little bit more with this. You know, it's great for the Osmo Pocket, but I think if they had made this compatible with more cameras, something like a GoPro or the Osmo Action, maybe if they had designed it that you could remove the top piece to reveal a quarter 20 that you could put a GoPro mount on, and plug it into the side there. To me, that would have made this thing a little bit more of a must-have product. But definitely it is a handy tool for the Osmo Pocket. Now, the construction and the quality of it is actually quite good. It has a very premium feel to it. Sometimes you get these products and they feel really cheaply built, but this does not feel cheaply built at all. It's got a nice rubberized handle on it for good grip, which is important if you're going to be holding it for long periods. You want it to be comfortable and you want to be able to have a good grip on it. So yeah, folks, just a quick little video. That is the PowerStick by Smatree for the Osmo Pocket. I'll include the links down below where you can go and check it out further. Unfortunately, it's not available in the Canadian Amazon store as of yet. It is available in the American Amazon. Usually they don't ship power banks over the border, but for some reason this one is listed as shippable to Canada. That's actually how I got it. I just ordered it from the American Amazon and it got shipped over to me directly. I don't know if they've changed that since I've ordered it, but if you are a Canadian and want to order one, definitely check out the link below. Well, folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you found it useful if you've had your eye on this unit, or maybe you've been looking for a way to extend the battery on your Osmo Pocket. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.